Welcome. In front of me is ACER Swift Go, and in this video I will show you how to connect a controller to this laptop. So, to do that, if you have a DualSense controller like this one, what you have to do is hold down the PlayStation button and Create button and wait until the light starts throbbing. Then click on the three icons on your status bar, click on the arrow icon next to the Bluetooth icon, and then select DualSense wireless controller. Click on it, and this way you will connect it to your laptop. Now, if you have an Xbox controller, then you'll have to enable it by clicking the Xbox logo that is located right here. Once it's glowing, just hold down the pairing button that is located somewhere right here. Hold it down and wait until you see a notification on your Windows. And once you see it, click on it. And this way you will connect your Xbox controller to this laptop. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.